Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in Kingston. House number 1. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located on Sunset Boulevard in the Kingston 8 area. This house is being sold at a cost of $2.1 million US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living area. First dining area, and this is a second dining area. We then move on to the kitchen. And next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 2 out of the 4 were shown. Followed by that are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, however only 2 out of the 4 were shown. We move from here to the balcony. Next, we have the patio. And from here, we're going to head back on the outside. That would be the end of house number 1. House number 2. This 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom house is located in Stony Hill in the Kingston 9 area. This house is approximately 8,000 square feet and is being sold at a cost of $1.1 million US. As we move from the front of the house, we're going to head on the inside. Here is the first living area. And this is the second living area. We have a sitting area here. And that is followed by the dining area. Next is the kitchen. We're then going to move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. This house has 5 bedrooms, however only 3 out of the 5 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is the third bathroom. This house has 6 bathrooms, however only 3 out of the 6 were shown. We then have the bar. And this is the balcony. This will then end house number 2. House number 3. This is a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom townhouse located in the gated community of Bamboo Court in the Kingston 6 area. The size of this house is approximately 2,068 square feet and it's being sold at a cost of $550,000 US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. That is then followed by the kitchen. Next, we have the bedrooms. Here is the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. This house has 3 bedrooms, however only 2 out of the 3 were shown. Followed by that are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, however only 2 out of the 4 were shown. Here's the patio area. And lastly, we end with the laundry area. That would end house number 3. House number 4. This is a 6-bedroom house located in Stony Hill in the Kingston 9 area. The size of this house is approximately 8,898 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of $1.1 million US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the first living area. And this is the second living area. Dining area. And next is the kitchen. Followed by that is the TV room. Next we have the entertainment area. Next we have the gym. And we're now going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Fourth bedroom. Fifth bedroom. And this is the 6th bedroom. We're then going to move on to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. Third bathroom. And this is a 4th bathroom. This house has 7 bathrooms, however only 4 out of the 7 were shown. Then going to move on to the balcony. We're going to move from here and head to the back of the house where there is a pool. There's also an outdoor gazebo. And that would be the end of house number 4. House number 5. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located on Bridgemont Drive in the Kingston 8 area. The square footage of this house is approximately 3,500 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 135 million Jamaican dollars. As we go on the inside, we have the living area. Next is the dining area and the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. And this is the 4th bedroom. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is the 3rd bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, however only 3 out of the 4 were shown. From here we're going to head to the balcony. And this is the back of the property, which now you're seeing that there is also a pool on this property. That will then end house number 5. That also brings us to the end of the video. If you were interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.